Hi guys, I'm going to channel you how do we reflect soul memories from our previous Akashic records and understand more about our soul gifts with the help of a intuitive channeling spread that I have taken for channeling Akashic records. Now the cards I've got are Emperor reversed and the World. The World card signifies that a particular cycle, it is a major arcana which signifies that a particular cycle is coming to an end and a new cycle is going to start. The other cards I got was Magician and the Seven of Swords with the Rebirth card, which also shows that there is a rebirth that is happening currently. The Magician card tells you that you might be having a lot of shamanic skills. You might have been a past life healer. It could be something that you know while you were very young. You might have been interested in looking at certain shamanic healing remedies. It could be herbal remedies or aromatherapy. It could be something which could be linked to energy healing. You might have started using Reiki or any of these energy healing methods, which will crystal healing could be another thing that you would have tried from the past. Now, what I say is, when we channel these Akashic records, it will help us take you to those soul memories that are distant past, that are from the distant past. Now, what will happen is that from these soul memories, we can download whatever soul gifts are, and mostly what happens is that these things need to be worked out with the help of something that you want to begin with. Suppose you have a gift of healing, you might be possibly inclined towards starting an energy healing session or a energy healing classroom. So that could be a hint that this could be a possible singing soul gift that you might have. Suppose the Emperor card is in reverse, which shows that you need to take effort in terms of setting up your own healing venture, or you can start the Tree of Life by starting tarot sessions. If you have any past life soul gift which is linked to channeling from other dimensions, because this Magician card is upright, which shows also that you could be a shaman or a person who is able to pick up data from other dimensions. If you have the information or knowledge coming from other dimensions, it could be linked to channeling those knowledge that you have using light language. It could be any particular healing technique which could be linked to sound or light or color, because mostly those are the higher dimensions. Healing gifts from higher dimensions, most of the soul gifts are used to heal people with the help of sound, light, or color. So those are the things that need to be looked at. Now, if you have a gift of say singing, for example, you will be able to channel light language. Suppose you have a gift of writing, then you will be able to do automatic writing and do claircognizant channeling with the help of automatic writing. So you need to identify whether you have this any of these soul gifts which could be linked to writing or singing, and those could also mean that you have these gifts to channel from other dimensions. It could be claircognizant channeling that you can start if you want to build a tree of life using tarot, because tarot is the topmost position in the tree of life. And if you want to convert your Akashic soul memories into any of these soul gifts, it might be good that you can start looking into intuitive tarot channeling or claircognizant channeling with the help of tarot. You can probably do chakra balancing. You can diagnose chakra issues, and you can balance your chakras with the help of intuitive tarot channeling. Those are the things that can be looked at if you want to start a tree of life with the help of starting something from with starting with intuitive channeling using tarot spreads. Now the Seven of Swords card is there, which shows that right now you feel a bit oppressed with the energies around you, so you need to take extra efforts in starting these, developing these soul gifts, like writing, in order to improve your capacities or capabilities for channeling from other dimensions with the help of claircognizant channeling or automatic writing. You will be able to use sound, light, or color for healing, energy healing, and use any of these energy healing sessions to help people understand your healing capabilities and give soul gifts from the past, from the Akashic records. Mostly what happens is, if you have the gift of healing others, they are the soul gifts that come from your past life records or the Akashic records. So this magician card also shows that you were a past life shaman. Probably you could have gifts related to herbal remedies, shamanic remedies, or energy healing. So energy healing and claircognizant channeling are the gifts that probably that is indicated by this Emperor card that is in reverse, which shows that you need to put extra effort in finding out what your soul gifts are, especially with the Seven of Swords card also, along with the Emperor card in reverse. And we have this World card, which shows that one cycle is coming to an end and another fresh cycle is going to start in the physical now. And we have this rebirth card also, which clearly shows that you need to undergo a rebirth or a transformation in order to move from that previous cycle and start the fresh cycle again. And you need to, when we have the rebirth, you will have the transformation into the new. And what we try to do is to use these soul memories of your past records, past life records, or Akashic records, to help you understand what are your soul gifts. Like you have, say, intuitive channeling capabilities or claircognizant channeling capabilities from other dimensions, because the magician card shows that you are capable of picking up information and knowledge from other dimensions. So you might be having these channeling capacities, which for which you can use intuitive tarot to channel spreads, to help people diagnose any of these chakra issues, and to help people show sound healing, light healing, or color healing with the help of those shamanic healing techniques that you know. So you can research on starting something on your own. Say if you want to start energy healing, you can do that. You can, if you want to start Reiki, or say do crystal healing, you can try exploring that option. That is how we convert our soul memories or past life soul gifts to doing something new with the help of those soul memories. If you know sound healing or energy healing from the past, probably you can start doing something to help others by starting sound healing, color healing, or light healing techniques. This is how we convert our Akashic records, the soul wisdom from the past life, and convert our use our soul gifts to do something on our own by undergoing a transformation, which helps you move from the old cycle to the new cycle. This is how we basically undergo a transformation and help others with using your soul gifts. I hope this was a good session.